Start by placing 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs on a clean cutting board. Take a few paper towels and pat each one thoroughly dry. This is a key step. When the surface of the chicken is dry, it sears better and gives you that crisp, golden skin we want. If there's any moisture, the skin will steam instead of browning, so don't skip this part. Now, season both sides of the thighs generously with sea salt, cracked black pepper, and a light sprinkle of smoked paprika. The paprika gives a deep warmth that makes the skin glow beautifully as it cooks. In a large skillet, drizzle a little olive oil and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt over medium heat until it starts to foam. Gently place each chicken thigh skin side down and let them sizzle undisturbed for about 6 to 8 minutes. That's your golden crust forming. Flip and cook the other side for another 6 minutes until they're fully cooked and caramelized. Transfer the chicken to a plate and set aside. Don't clean the pan. That's where the magic is. Drop in another tablespoon of butter and add 6 cloves of freshly minced garlic. Stir gently for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Slowly pour in 3/4 cup of chicken broth, scraping the bottom of the pan to release all that flavor. Add 1 cup of heavy cream and stir until it begins to thicken. Toss in 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a small handful of grated Parmesan cheese. Let it simmer. The sauce will turn velvety, glossy, and rich enough to coat every bite. And while it bubbles gently, this is the perfect time to remind you. If you're loving how this dish is coming together, make sure to subscribe for more cozy, irresistible dinners like this. Like the video, and if you know someone who devour this creamy garlic goodness, go ahead and share it with them. It really helps the channel grow and brings more food lovers to the table. Now let's prep the perfect side. Garlic butter rice, simple and packed with flavor. In a saucepan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add a splash of olive oil. Stir in 3 cloves of minced garlic and toast gently until golden and aromatic. Pour in 1 cup of long-grain white rice and stir it through the butter, coating each grain. Now add 2 cups of chicken broth, a pinch of salt, and bring it to a boil. Cover, lower the heat, and let it simmer gently for 15 minutes. When it's done, fluff with a fork and finish with a sprinkle of chopped parsley. It smells amazing and soaks up sauces like a dream. Back to the skillet. Return the chicken to the creamy garlic sauce. Nestle each thigh in gently and spoon the sauce over the top. Cover and simmer for 5 more minutes to let the flavor melt into every bite. Now while that finishes, let's make a fresh, light apple mint juice to balance all the richness. Core 2 green apples and drop them into a blender. Add a handful of mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1.5 cups of cold water. Blend until smooth, then strain it through a fine sieve. Serve over ice and garnish with fresh mint leaves. It's refreshing, sweet, and just herby enough to cleanse the palate. Now picture this: a plate with garlic butter rice, a golden creamy garlic chicken thigh bathed in sauce, and a chilled glass of homemade apple mint juice on the side. It's comfort food, upgraded. If this made your stomach growl even a little, don't forget to subscribe for more, like the video, and share it with someone who deserves a delicious dinner tonight. And let me know in the comments, what would you serve this with next time? I'd love to hear your twist, and I always reply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next fun food story.